Nephrostomy Introducer Set. Nephrostomy Introducer Set consists of 0.018-inch nitinol guide wire, 6 French gauge coaxial dilator assembly, and 21-gauge introducer needle. Perform the skin incision under local anesthesia. Using fluoroscopy, the 21-gauge introducer needle is advanced into the dilated pelvis. Loosen the stylet from the 21-gauge introducer needle. Remove the stylet. Introduce the 0.018-inch nitinol guide wire into the collecting system and remove the 21-gauge introducer needle through the guide wire. The 3-piece, 6 French gauge coaxial dilator assembly is advanced over the 0.018-inch nitinol guide wire into the collecting system. Loosen the central locking stiffening cannula from the 3-piece coaxial dilator assembly. Holding the central locking stiffening cannula stationary, advance the dilator and sheath to the desired location. Remove the central locking stiffening cannula and dilator. Leave the outer sheath. Introduce 0.035-inch guide wire through the outer sheath of 6 French gauge coaxial dilator. Remove the 0.018-inch nitinol guide wire. Remove the outer sheath of 6 French gauge coaxial dilator assembly through the 0.035-inch guide wire. Progressively dilate the tract using French gauge 8 and 9 dilator through the guide wire. Using fluoroscopy, advance the required catheter over the guide wire into the collecting system and ensure the correct position. Loosen the metal stiffening cannula from the catheter. Remove the 0.035-inch guide wire and the metal stiffening cannula together. To lock the pigtail in its position, pull the thread gently, ensuring that the pigtail tip is within the cavity. Wind the thread around the slot and press the clip onto the slot. The thread must be stretched during the process. Attach and tighten the safety string lock onto the catheter. Snap off the tab. Connect the catheter to a stopcock drainage bag with connector tubing.